Hello everyone, let's dive into the glorious GMMK 3 Pro He, a wireless gaming keyboard that's making some serious waves. This isn't your average keyboard. It's packed with features designed to give you a competitive edge. First off, the Hall effect switches are the star of the show. These switches use magnets to register keystrokes, offering incredible speed and precision. The rapid trigger technology allows you to actuate keys with minimal movement, which could be a game changer in fast-paced games. The 8,000 Hz polling rate ensures that every keystroke is registered almost instantly, giving you a noticeable advantage. The GMMK 3 Pro He also boasts customizable actuation points. This means you can adjust how far down you need to press a key for it to register, tailoring the keyboard to your specific playstyle. The 4:1 dynamic keystroke feature further enhances responsiveness, making every action feel incredibly precise. Glorious has also paid attention to the build quality. The aluminum body feels solid and premium, providing a stable base for intense gaming sessions. The 75% tankless layout strikes a great balance between functionality and desk space, making it ideal for both gaming and everyday use. Connectivity is another strong point. The GMMK 3 Pro He offers multiple options, including Bluetooth, a 2.4 GHz dongle, and USB-C. This versatility makes it easy to connect to your PC, Mac, or even supported consoles. Whether you prefer a wireless or wired connection, this keyboard has you covered. The hot swappable design is a welcome addition for keyboard enthusiasts. You can easily swap out the MX-compatible or magnetic switches without any soldering, allowing you to experiment with different switch types and find the perfect feel. While the GMMK 3 Pro He is primarily aimed at gamers, its features also make it suitable for other tasks. The precision and responsiveness are great for video editing, programming, and even general use. It's a versatile keyboard that can handle just about anything you throw at it. Overall, the glorious GMMK 3 Pro He is a top-tier wireless gaming keyboard that delivers on its promises. The Hall effect switches, customizable actuation, and high polling rate make it a formidable weapon in any gamer's arsenal. The premium build quality and versatile connectivity options further enhance its appeal. If you're looking for a keyboard that can give you a competitive edge, the GMMK 3 Pro He is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.